हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आप सब लोग कैसे हैं? होप अच्छे ही होंगे। मैं आपको दोबारा फिर से बताना चाहता हूं कि ये हमारा लक्ष्य शॉर्ट एंड डिक्टेशन का जो चैनल है, ऐसा एकमात्र चैनल है जहां पर कॉमन वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन आपको प्रोवाइड कराई जाती है और किसी भी चैनल पर आपको कॉमन वर्ड की डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड नहीं करवाई जाती। तो इसलिए ज्वाइन कीजिए। चलो डिक्टेशन लिखते हैं अभी। रेडी, स्टार्ट। In a business organization, marketing is on the top and given priority at all times. Stop. Everything that is made in the world of industry and commerce has to be sold. Stop. To sell the products that are manufactured, there must be salesmen. Stop. If they do not carry out their job efficiently, then the final link in the chain of distribution will suffer. Stop. Selling is therefore one of the biggest and probably the most intentionally competitive business in the world today, and it takes a highly trained person to do it. Stop. Such training must leave little to chance, and those who make the top grade in the selling market can expect salaries reaching several thousand rupees a year. Stop. This is sufficient encouragement to the bright young man to make selling his career. Stop paragraph. In many cases, firms employ their selling staff from their existing employees. Stop. Others accept trainees, selecting them from applicants with a reasonably high standard of general education and the right personality. Stop paragraph. In the early stages of their career, the trainees will spend approximately a year learning how the product is manufactured, the sales and marketing organization within the firm, and become familiar with the future program of the company. Stop. Trainees are given every encouragement to attend the courses offered by technical colleges on a part-time day or evening classes. Stop. Probably the main essential of a good salesman is confidence in the product he is selling and in the ability to conceive the customer. Stop. He will know too that every time he approaches a possible client, he is presenting both the impression of himself and of the firm he is representing. Stop. In many cases, he will be dealing with a big customer who is an experienced businessman who wants to know whether the product one is offering will result in sales. Stop. The salesman who has finished his training is nevertheless always learning and always adding to his experience. Stop. This can be done by moving from firm to firm or by remaining with one firm in the hope of progressing up to ladder of promotion. Stop paragraph. On the question of the salaries, there is no hard and fast rule. Stop. Salaries are arranged generally by negotiation and will probably carry with them a commission on sales or a bonus, and in many cases the use of a company car. Stop and over. ये 400 वर्ड है, 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड है, तो आप इसको ज़रूर लिखें और टाइप करें।